Hi, this is James. So on the 17th of February 2022 at 10 p.m. Eastern, a new affiliate training program is going to be launched. It's known as AffliB2A. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And in a moment, I'm going to walk you through what that program is. But before that, subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications so that all future videos that are going to show you how to boost your business, you will receive them. So let's now have a quick look at AffliB2A. So we are on the sales page of AffliB2A here, and instantly you can see that there is a discount code that you got to take note of, and you get $7 off when you use this code AffliB2A07. So note that down before you purchase. So this training program is going to teach you using videos on how to generate, how to make money online in 2022 through affiliate marketing. And you can be a newbie. And these guys are going to show you how to generate thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions with CLICKBANK and Warrior Plus 2021. So that's a typo there. I wonder why the 2021 is still left there when we are in 2022. So AffliB2A consists of 45 high-quality video classes. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. And they go through only fresh methods to increase sales. It is beginner-friendly since it's meant for newbies. And I guess even advanced marketers could learn a trick or two from here. And there is a one-time payment and there are no OTOs. So this is one of the rare launches where there are no OTOs or upsells. And the price is a one-time payment of $37. Now, note that the money-back guarantee is only 7 days. So make sure when you pick it up, you go through the training and put it to use, implement it so that you can see if this is what fits your plans for 2022 and beyond in generating income online. So in the sales page, they are giving some proofs on how they have made money. Now, here are the two guys who are launching AffliB2A, Pradeep Saghal, and this gentleman known as just one name, Chris. That's all. And I've been doing affiliate marketing consistently now since May 2021. And I doubt I've heard of Chris or even Pradeep. So it's important to know who you are learning from. And if you go through the sales page, you can read through their screenshots of commissions earned. There's no way we can prove or disprove that. And they state how their affiliate marketing journey has been. And if you notice, I just want to draw your attention to this. They are speaking very much about CLICKBANK and Warrior Plus. That's the reason why I'm highlighting that, which I shall come to in a moment. So the vendors are saying that they went from a struggling, frustrated newbie to generating consistent 5K to 10K days with affiliate marketing on CLICKBANK. And they're explaining this entire process in the course itself. So the process that the two gentlemen are going to teach you revolves around a 4-step cycle, which is number 1, pick a product. Number 2, drive traffic. Third is to send to a landing page, and finally make the sales. That would be number 4. So the question that pops into my mind is that you will therefore need to create a landing page. So if you are watching this video and you are thinking about getting into the internet marketing field or making money online, then affiliate marketing definitely is the easiest way to make profits online. So this is important. If you are a newbie or a first timer into the internet marketing world and you want to get into making money online, then affiliate marketing is definitely the easiest way to make profits online because you don't have the hassles associated with other business models. So there's no drop shipping, so no risk of dealing with suppliers who could be shady characters or of dubious reputation. There is no customer support at all that is involved. There is no buying or storing of inventory, which can pretty soon amount to quite a bit out of your pocket. There are no paid ads as well, so you save your money from this. So definitely what these guys are going to be teaching you is without using any paid ads. So keep all your money. Now, these guys are putting quite a bit of statistics here on the sales page, which you can read through. But these stats don't impress me as much as what is right at the bottom here, which you need to pay attention to. 95% of people who get into affiliate marketing fail, and therefore you need to make sure that the people you are learning from are successful themselves in affiliate marketing. So we hope that these two guys are successful in affiliate marketing. So let me get into the actual course, the outline of the course. Now, there are a few modules. Module 1 is step-by-step training videos, which has 14 chapters, and you can go through the demo here of the chapters that they have. But let me just go through what the chapters include. Chapter 1 is affiliate marketing, the introduction. Chapter 2 is an overview of Warrior Plus. Chapter 3 is an overview of JVZoo. Chapter 4 is CLICKBANK overview. Chapter 5 is how to find an affiliate product in any niche. 6 is how to choose the best affiliate offers. 7 is how to promote products on Warrior Plus. 8 is how to promote products on JVZoo. 9, how to promote products on ClickBank. 10 is how to sell, what the best-selling niches on ClickBank are, how to find bonuses for affiliate offers, and how to use ClickBank engine. 13 is how to promote products on Amazon. So they're covering Amazon as well, and how to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blog. So interestingly, they also include JVZoo and Amazon, although at the beginning of the sales page, the focus was on ClickBank and Warrior Plus. Now, Module 2 is a 30 step-by-step training videos, and each one of them is one chapter. And as I'm doing this recording, the demo for this Module 2 is not up yet. So this looks at how to do keyword research, how to find the best domain name ideas, the niche site model for Amazon affiliate blog, the WordPress site model to promote affiliate offers, the alternative site model to promote affiliate offers, how to promote digital product with review blog model, how to make your site fast, how to write your product review article, how to promote affiliate offers with comparison technique, how to promote affiliate offers with alternatives posts, how to promote affiliate offers with versus method, what plugins you should install. So I guess this is going to be WordPress, how to use review plugin on your site, how to find guest posts, how to find guest posting in any niche for backlinks, how to promote affiliate offers using Facebook fan page. So you got to create your own fan page as well. How to promote affiliate offers using YouTube. So you need to create YouTube videos. How to use Google Sites to promote affiliate offers. How to use Quora to drive traffic and intro. How to register on Quora. How to find the best questions. How to post best answers. How to use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. How to promote affiliate offers using Google Sites. How to drive traffic by using Pinterest, how to create Pinterest account, how to use Pinterest to promote affiliate offers, best practices, I guess, how to build lists with free giveaways, how to find related forums to promote affiliate offers, and finally, how to find the best solo ad services to promote affiliate offers. So that's it, guys, 2 modules. Let's have a look at the bonuses. In fact, let me just come back to this. I just want to state that looking at the number of modules, there are a lot of steps involved if you want to generate income according to these 2 guys. So let's jump over and have a look at the bonus offers. Bonus 1 is AffliB2A Video Course Training Guide ebook. This is what it contains. Bonus 2 is Top Resource Report. Bonus 3 is the training cheat sheet. And remember, once again, there is a 7-day, 100% money back guarantee. And the price, once again, is $37. And remember to use the coupon code in order for you to get a $7 knockdown. So people, although this training looks impressive and there are a lot of videos, my biggest hurdle is that there are so many steps that are involved. And all I can say is that you have a choice now. You can pick up this program by clicking on the link below this video, which will take you to my bonus page, and you can check out the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up AffliB2A through my link. And here is my recommendation, guys. There is an easier method. As I mentioned, I've been doing affiliate marketing, and I've been successful since May 2021. And I would recommend that you check out this video that is coming up and discover how to make it, how to be successful on JVZoo with fewer steps and a far easier method. And this is by the two guys, Brett Protecki as well as Mike from Maine. Now it's time for you to decide. Either click the link below or watch this video and go through the program with Brett and Mike.